Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by confirming the battery model and arranging tools: case opener, small screwdriver, tweezers, and a replacement battery. Once done, rest the watch face down on a soft cloth to prevent scratches and steady the bezel with your fingers. If the strap obstructs access, remove it first. Now identify the case back type, snap, screw down, or forescrew, and choose the correct opener. Do this deliberately so you don't slip. Slipping could scratch the case or damage the movement, so steady, control. Once the case is open, immediately look for the battery and note its orientation. A quick photo helps you later. Next, identify any clip or retainer holding the battery. Use a small screwdriver to gently loosen screws or a flat tool to lift clips. Work slowly to avoid bending contacts. Use non-magnetic tweezers to lift the old battery straight out. Touching circuitry with metal tools can short the movement. After removal, clean the compartment lightly with a dry brush to remove dust or residue before installing the new cell. You place the new battery in the exact same orientation and seat it under the clip or retainer. Make sure it lies flat without forcing it. Once seated, check the watch is running. If not, press the reset contact or gently move the crown to wake the movement. Then reseal the case. Press snapbacks closed evenly, screw down backs with the correct tool, or replace 4 screws snugly. If you have issues, one tip: if no tick, recheck polarity and clip contact for bent metal or debris, preventing connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.